everyone, in today's video I'm going to do the unboxing of the cloth and paper subscription box, which is for the month of July. I ordered for the A5 size, so without further ado, let's get to it. So this is supposed to be my last month of subscription, but then I decided to continue it for another 3 months, so you will be seeing more of my unboxing of this subscription cloth and papers subscription box. In this subscription box, I have gotten the some dashboards, some inserts, reusable pouch, circle sticky note set, spotlight page flags, travel label stickers, and journaling cards. So these are all the pictures of the items that I've received. So the first thing that I see is the pouch bag. This is kind of cool, and it opens upward. Actually, I thought it was opening this way, but it's upward like this. And some dashboard. I saw that my life was a vast glowing empty page and I could do anything I wanted. I love this a lot. It's really thick too. Okay, next one is the another dashboard also about traveling. So this is great. Travel planning, I think we should be doing it in A5 because, you know, a lot of things that you need to think about. So yeah, so this one has an explanation on the traveling, and this is a thick cardstock paper, and this is the September inserts for the A5. Let's see. Okay, yep, it's a horizontal. Okay, it's similar to what received in the previous month subscription. I wish actually that I get to try other inserts actually instead of the same one, because I've already tried this layout and I don't like it that much. I did see there are other inserts available in cloth and paper, and I wish that they actually sent those as trials as well for us, so that we know which one we like the best, right? Okay, so this is for the month of September. Another inserts, this is the daily itinerary A5. Oh, okay, so they are giving a different type of inserts for us. Okay, so this one has the schedule and the things to do, meals, and some notes. So these are not dated at all. It's good, so that means I could use this anytime I want. At the back also, but the same. They also have the weather. Okay, but I wish that they have lines here because I suck at writing without lines. So, but this is good though. I like this. Okay. So that's put that aside. Okay, this is the packing list. Great for traveling inserts. So it has the essentials, clothing, toiletries, technology, and shoes. Oh, this is great. I think I should have this based on, you know, if I go for 1 day, what are the things that I have to take? And then for, oh, there are more lists that you could actually create. That's pretty cool. So if for 2 days, what are my essentials should be, then it would be really great for me to just look at it and I know. Or I could even go by name. So this would be for me, this packing list would be for my kid, another packing list could be for my husband's. So yeah, this is really great. I've already have some great ideas on how to use this inserts, but it's just that right now because of COVID, we can't go anywhere. Okay, I like this one. This is the page flags palette volume 01. I really like, and this is a transparent, yep, this is a transparent type of insert, page flag. Good, I love this. Next is the palette volume 01 Angora Mojito plus Cypress circle sticky notes. They have 25 sets each, but this one is the matte type. Yep, matte one. Okay, And I have some travel stickers with minimal label. I should be labeling this on the shampoo bottles and conditioner bottles that I'm going to bring. Yeah, okay, makes sense. So that is for that. But unfortunately, I don't bring them separately. I just bring, like, I have some mini bottles. Yeah, they have for shampoo, conditioner, body wash, cleanser, sunscreen, lotion, mouthwash, sanitizer, moisturizer, serum, eye cream, toothpaste, toner, hair mask, hand cream. So they have more for body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. So that's the only sticker was in there. And last but not least is the journal cards. Okay, so this is one. It's for the month of September. And then to create something exceptional, your mind must be focused on the smallest detail to create something exceptional. Okay, they just repeated the entire thing again. Giorgio Armani. So this one is, you still have a lot of time to make yourself be what you want. Okay, so those are the journaling cards that I received. So that's it. There's no more. What do I think about this? Well, the thing that I was excited about is, of course, the page flags. I like this a lot. Packing list is good. I like this. The daily itinerary is also good because I could use anytime I want because it's not dated. The only thing that I'm not interested is this one because, well, I already have my own inserts. So maybe what I do is I'm going to cover them up and then try to use it for some other things. I'll figure it out. Okay, now let's move on to the next one, which is the Happy Meal I've gotten from Avila Lim. Okay, I will put a link at the description box below. I've got this from Shopee. She's a Malaysian creator who sells lots of cute stickers. So let's begin to open it. It is kind of small actually, but it's good because it's easy for me to store these stickers. I want it to be small so that it can fit into my sticker box where I put the rest of my stickers. Okay, oh, another cute sticker, packaged with love by Avila. Thanks Avila if you're watching this. So, wow. Okay. Thank you for your purchase. Your support meant the world to my small business. So your purchase is truly appreciated. So she had a little scan card made by Avi. This is her Instagram handle. So if you want to go and check out her stickers, make sure that you go to Made by Avi. Okay? Let's put that aside. So these are some freebies. It's photo paper, and I think more freebies for finance, for social media. It's cute. Okay? And some home office, stay home stickers, and more stickers. This is cute. I really like this actually. And I did purchase some bigger stickers because this really looked cute. And I'm so glad I did because this will go great as a deco for my Hobonichi. Okay, so nice packaging made by Avi. So let's Okay, so I bought a lot of word stickers because I like to segregate my Hobonichi into a few sections. So I bought stickers that represents that. So there are today stickers, some urgent stickers, to pay, reminder, notes, to do, work, errands, to buy, and these are some icon stickers. This is for online class. Okay, I have online class because I have purchased a few courses, so I gotta watch them, so I need to plan them in my planner. And these are for months. I don't remember buying this actually. Okay, but this would be great for the monthly section actually. And this is a cute one, doing homework with your kid. So yeah, my kid's in school. This is great for me to know when I can spend time with her to do her homework. Okay, this is for Instagram or take photos. It could be anything. Okay, I do take photos for my Instagram, for my blog, and for my YouTube channel. So this would be great for me to batch out the entire photography session in one day. And staff meeting. Yep, I have staff meeting in office, so this would be great icon for that. Okay, this is for baking. I don't actually do baking as frequent as I want to do, but having it is nice, right? Since it's already there. Okay. And this is, I haven't decided what to do with this icon, but it could be for anything, for reading, for maybe writing journal or something, or relaxing. Oh, well, reading is not relaxing, but for me it is, so I can use it for, I'm pretty much open for it. Okay, now this is for Instagram, so I can plan my posting in my Instagram channel. And I think this is relaxing. Yeah, because it looks like the person is in the bed, right? On the bed, right? Yep, I think so. It is. This is MBA C13. I need to check out what this is for, actually. And this is for birthdays. Yep, cute way to track others' birthdays. Another birthday sticker as well. I like this one. And working, I presume, because since she's in front of the laptop with coffee, so I can use this to plan for my blog or my work or meeting. And this is also another online class or meeting or any sort of online thing. This is really cute because it has different colors. So those are my sticker from Vela Lim. I really like this. I can't wait to choose this. As you can see, for the word stickers, the only sticker that has lesser than 4 rows is the reminder, because I think the reminder has a longer word. Yeah, it's a longer word. You only have 3 of them. I didn't realize that, otherwise I would have bought an extra reminder because I wanted to tally with the rest of my stickers. So yep, that it is. This is my sticker collections. Let's see whether it is the same size with my other things or not. Okay, this one I bought from Kina Prints. It is, oh okay, Kina Prints is really nice size actually. And this is bigger, so I need to find, well, I can still fit in my box, but I can't put them in, like, you know, credit card slots or something. So let's see whether this thing goes into my box. So this is my entire sticker collections that I put in there. I wish I have like an album that I could just, you know, flip through which I want. If you know any albums, sticker albums that's out there, please let me know at the comment box below, because I would love to have one, because I want to be able to flip through the stickers and see, this is the stickers that I would like to take, you know. Oh, that's okay, I think it's just nice for me to fit them all in actually, but it would bend. Yep, it does bend. Okay, enough of my mumbling. So that's it for my unboxing. These are my cloth and paper stuff. And yeah, see you in my next video. Bye.